Guys, have you ever seen a video that gets millions of views and thought you want to create something similar, but you have no idea how it was edited? You try to recreate it, spend hours adjusting effects and timing, and in the end, it still looks amateur. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. And today we're taking a look at Pippit, a tool that completely changes how viral videos are made. Pippit, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and lets you recreate any viral video from an online reference. Same viral impact, faster to launch. So instead of starting from scratch, you take something that already works and rebuild it for your own content. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see how this actually works. Friends, you've 100% seen videos that hit millions of views and thought, I want to create something like this. But then comes the question, how do you actually edit it? Most viral videos are not random. They follow a certain structure, specific pacing, and a combination of visuals or audio that keeps people watching. The problem is that recreating this manually takes a lot of time, and even then the result often doesn't match the original. So this is exactly where Pippit comes in. Guys, this is an innovative product by ByteDance that lets you literally clone the creative DNA of viral videos. It doesn't just copy, it analyzes structure, pacing, visual effects, and audio, and then builds completely new content based on that formula. Mates, let's take a look at how this actually works in practice. Right here we're inside the reference video feature, and the idea behind it is pretty straightforward. You start by adding a video that's already performing well, something like a viral TikTok, with strong pacing and clean transitions. The system uses that as a reference to understand the overall style you're going for. So now you don't have to start from scratch. You take what already works and adapt it to your own use case, which makes the path to virality much faster. Then we bring in our own content. In this case, I'm using a product image, so the goal is to recreate that same visual logic, but apply it to something completely different. Folks, after that we move on to the setup. Here I'm selecting the model, in this case Sora 2, which is a premium option. I'm setting the format to 9:16 and choosing the maximum duration of 12 seconds. Once everything is set, we simply start the generation. After confirming the details, the platform begins processing. And this is where the whole workflow starts to feel very different from doing everything manually. And just like that, the video is ready. You can preview it right away or download it. Let's take a look.
New DynDan Energy. Zero sugar, full charge. Fuel your drive, sharpen your focus, and keep moving. Whatever your grind, DynDan ignites it.
Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, instead of walking through manual uploads, let's look at a few examples so you can clearly see how this works in practice.
You think you could just leave me?
This marriage contract? It ends tonight, Mr. CEO. Chase me if you dare. But you've already lost.
Friends, first we have an animation style example. Here we're looking at a scene called See or Regret. It shows a tense moment between two anime-style characters inside an office, and the whole sequence feels like part of a dramatic episode. You can see how the characters move, how they react to each other, and how the tension builds throughout the scene. There's a lot of detail in both the character animation and the environment, and everything feels very polished. What really stands out is how expressive the animation is. The emotions are clear, the timing feels natural, and overall it looks very close to something you would expect from a professionally produced animated video, not something generated automatically. Mates, now let's look at a completely different format.
Hello friends, today we learn about colors.
Here we have an educational style example. In this scene, two kids are dancing while learning about colors, and the whole video is built around a playful and energetic tone. There's music in the background, a spinning wheel introducing different colors, and the structure makes it easy to follow while still keeping it engaging. The pacing is balanced in a way that helps deliver information without losing attention. Folks, and finally, let's take a look at a cinematic style example. Here we see a girl lying on a pink bed, and as the camera slowly moves closer, the scene begins to shift. Her eyes change, her expression transforms, and subtle details build into a more intense moment. What's interesting here is how smooth and controlled everything feels. The camera movement, the transitions, and the overall atmosphere create a very cinematic look. It feels less like a quick social media clip and more like a scene from a film. And again, the key thing is that all of this is generated while maintaining a very high level of visual quality. Another important thing is that Pippit is free to use and gives you new credits every day, so you can experiment without worrying about costs. And since it's powered by CapCut technology, the output quality is already very solid. Alright friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. In this video we explored how Pippit works and how you can take a viral reference video, upload it into the platform, and generate your own version based on the same structure and style. Instead of spending hours trying to recreate effects manually, you can now build on what already works and turn it into your own content in just a few minutes. So what do you guys think? Would you try something like this for your videos? Or do you prefer editing everything from scratch? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.